Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Guide Official. If you didn't subscribe yet, then you must subscribe because last videos were amazing. I shared 3 videos and they made great profit for all you guys. If you are not part of Telegram also, then you must join because a lot of people are making great money. Today we will talk about Sinja. There are many great news coming from their community. Okay, so we will talk about only price action so that you can make quick money from this token. Okay, so let's go inside this. As you can see, there is a lot of increase in volume in this area, and you can see this area. So this is great opportunity for us to buy and enjoy the ride. So you can see we have this trend line which we need to broke. You can see this acting as a resistance here. Okay, and below angle is acting as a support. So if you want to break this line, then it will go like this. It have to break this line, then we can easily achieve this target. If you want to talk about how much percentage you will make from this, so simply measure from here to here, then you will see that how much you can make. 34% is very simple to make here. So you can easily make and keep this target in your position or radar. And next we will talk about this target, then this target and this target. These targets are easy to achieve. You can easily see that this area is acting as a lot of support and resistance. You can see here. Okay, so I will say this target will be easily preferable and this target is also easily achievable. Okay, other than this, I want to give shout out to people who are our VIP members who made killing profit here. You can see I shared these trades yesterday only. Within 24 hours they made this money. 52% of Kono, you can say Arcar 50% of within a single day. You can say Baiko 50% of. So these are all 3 top gainers yesterday in the KuCoin. You can check your KuCoin account and you will see these are top gainers. These were said within 24 hours only, and these VIP members are making killing profit. You can see here. If you want to VIP member, simply message me here and then enjoy the VIP profit. We have currently 60% discount going on. Okay, so let's talk to Sinja again, and you can keep these targets in mind. These targets are easy to achieve. Currently I will suggest you that focus on this target first. Once you hit this target, then you can move your stop loss below this line, then you will go for this target and move your stop loss accordingly. Okay, you can trail your stop loss and enjoy a lot of money. See you in the next video. If you didn't check out these videos from whom people made a lot of money, you can see Koti Network, Alpha and Phantom. All trades were amazing. So if you didn't subscribe our channel yet, then subscribe it and press this bell icon also so that you can get all the updates on the time. See you in the next video with lot of quick updates and next gems for you.